Hi everyone and welcome again for a new project. Currently in one of the sales center of EVG Group's properties that they are launching this massive product in JVT, which is Jumeirah Village Triangle. It's a massive building, sophisticated tower. All the building comes with a balcony, nice location. The name of the building it's Millennium, which will be branded by Millennium and service apartment by Millennium. And from the development itself, I am with Hajar to give us a quick presentation about this project. So Hajar, tell us about this Millennium JVT, please.
It's our project. It's located in JVT District 4. It's called Azha Millennium by EPG Emirates Properties Group. We have one basement, ground floor, 4 podium, and 30 floors plus roof floor.
So we are talking about mid-rise building, location of the plot as you can see in your screen. So mid-rise buildings, if we compare it with other neighbors, this is more massive and luxurious competing about other neighbors. And the views you're gonna experience, it's like typical and nice views. Okay?
Okay.
Kamili.
We have 7 units per floor. We have 2 studios, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom and 2 bedroom. All those are facing Mohammed bin Zayed Road and Jumeirah Gulf State. We have here basement, 4 podium, ground floor and 30 floor plus roof. Each floor has 7 units, 2 studios, 2 bedrooms and 3 1 bedrooms. We have here studio, 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms and 2 bedrooms. In the back side, we have 1 bedrooms facing Marina Skyline and the community.
Amazing. So as there is only 7 units in each floor, we make the residences crowded. We are talking about elevators. Of course, elevator will be a fast elevators as will be branded by Millennium. So we make sure that all the residences will feel the luxury. Only 7 units. Other developers, they make minimum 9 units in each floors. Massive. So as you can see, all the facilities, the world-class amenities will be located in the rooftop, talking about swimming pool, indoor gym, sitting area and cinema area. And on the first podium level, as Hajar mentioned just now, there are kids play area and some units. These units that they have private pool, what they are?
Yes, with private pool.
So only 3 units in the entire project?
Yes, I have private pool. And here in this area, we will have a barbecue area and sitting area. In the ground floor, also we have a restaurant. Plus we have another restaurant in the roof, managed by Millennium. We have gym, we have indoor cinema, we have adult pool, kids pool, and sitting area like yoga area.
Amazing.
Also.
So what we have here, studio,
1 bedroom and 2 bedrooms. Sizes for studio.
For studios.
For the studio starting from 400.
So it's a good size for the studio.
For the starting price for the studio is 732. For the 1 bedroom starting price 1.3 but starting sizes is 890. For the 2 bedroom starting price 1.9 and start sizes 1,450. For the payment plan, it's 50-50 payment plan, 10% down payment, 30% during construction, 10% on handover, at 50% post handover for 3 years. The handover for the project will be December 2027.
Amazing. So we cannot find some project that they have post handover in this area, JVT in Dubai. So the current transaction in JVT, they are highest demand comparing with JVT or other area like Sports City and others. So to find this payment plan, it's attractive payment plan. You cannot compare with other neighbors. So why not? So that was all from this project with Hajar Millennium Residences JVT payment plan pricing. So more details will be in the description down. Check my number, send me hi in WhatsApp, and I'll share with you the dimensions, floor plan, and all the details. And you can check with Hajar what's the available units. Why not? You can try to secure your unit. The booking is open, right?
Yes, of course.
So you can book the units.
Just with 10%.
With 10%. Yeah, and by the way, the pricing that she was mentioning is it's with local currencies, which is dirhams, not euros, not dollars. Thank you so much, and see you in the next project.